Yes, I found them on the scrapyard. Nasty dents. Hello, this is Rusted Out Garage, and this video starts with making some not so good looking wheels into good looking wheels. This is casking wheels which I got from the scrapyard. Yes, I found them on the scrapyard. Който търси, намира. Okay, not all of them. Two of them I found on the scrapyard. It was this one, which actually here I have already removed the black spray paint that was on the wheel. And the other one is here, which I have already started preparing. The front ones I got from the scrapyard. Yes, I found them actually on the scrapyard in pretty bad condition. Awful paint, and like you expect the wheels to look like on the scrapyard. But the rear ones, you can see they are looking way better. These are 9.5 inch rear, 4 of them, because I found 4 front at the scrapyard. So now I need to make them look like they are one set of wheels. I really like the chrome look on this, but the lips are not very chromy. They are already painted with some shitty gray paint, but this will be fixed. Now, this one has some dents. As you can see, there are some nasty dents on the lip. This stains here, everything is corrosion, which I will fix. A lot of dents, a lot of corrosion, but I can fix this. Plan for the wheel is polishing, or not exactly polishing, but grinding down the lips to make them shinier, but also not mirror finish, because I want to put clear coat which will last longer, and the middle part, the face, will be painted. But the color I still don't know what will be. I need to 3D print central caps for this, like the ones on the Benz, starting with the wheels, and after this we will see where this video goes, because I still have no idea, zero idea. One thing I know for sure, I'm starting with the wheels. It's already another day, the lips are done, and this is the final result that I am wanting, that I have wanted. It's not gonna be chrome, it's not gonna be mirror finish or anything like this, because this is not pump my ride. This is gonna be wheels for a daily. So now I have here prepared some hubcaps that I need to spray some filler, because they are 3D printed, and I need to get that smooth finish. Not like this. After this I will sand down the faces of these wheels. The color for these wheels I still don't know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be some grayish, but again I will mix it myself and I will not put green or some other color. Maybe at one time I said that this is not pump my ride and these wheels are not gonna be chromed. Well, they are not chromed, but I didn't mix the color. Well, I mixed the first layer of clear coat. I will just show you the wheels. And maybe this is pump my ride. At the moment it's too dark and on this light it's not easy to understand what's happening, but I will check them tomorrow in the sun. Maybe it will be better to show it to you. And since I have not changed my mind about the Benz, it's time to take my stuff, clean it, make some nice pictures and put it for sale. I have had this car for around 5 years, in which the whole interior was changed, the exterior was also completely transformed, the engine was granted with turbo, I have removed the original 4-speed automatic gearbox and put 6-speed manual from newer Mercedes, the brakes were upgraded with brakes from S-Class, a lot of modification to the suspension and a lot of things that I cannot even remember. Originally this car has 136 horsepower, but now it feels like they are at least double. It handles and it feels a lot different than every other 124 I have seen or I have driven. And as one project leaves the channel, it's time for another project to be reviewed.